Hello everyone, this is Jay. Welcome to our Sunglory, and this is our factory. This is the production line currently running equipment, debugging and operation for cheaply precious cookwares. Overseeing this line is our on-site technical lead, Hao, who brings 20 years of industry experience. This machine features dual double sheet detections. If two sheets are mistakenly picked up, the weighing system triggers an alarm, allowing the extra sheets to slide down for manual removal. The second stage detection uses a linear robotic arm with suction cups. Upon detecting the weight of two sheets, it stops and hovers in the middle air with an alarm. The robot's arm is simple to operate and easy to maintain. If you are interested, please reach out to us and let's build your own factory together.